Hello everyone. In this quick video, we will learn how to use an existing 5-1 strategy on options and futures data. So go to your strategy pane, choose a relevant strategy. In this case, we are picking the reversion strategy. Now, once the strategy code is loaded, substitute the symbol name with either an option or a future. So let's take an example of Nifty month end dynamically calculated ATM call option. So once I've selected the instrument name, its relevant corresponding data gets loaded. I can change the time frequency as appropriate. In this case, we'll limit it to the day frequency. So again, we have chosen the Nifty month end at the money dynamically chosen call option. And our standard Bollinger Band mean reversion strategy keeps a track of the upper and lower band around the price series and takes a position based on if the price goes below the band or top of the band. All right, so standard mean reversion strategy, we are executing it on the Nifty at the money call option. Rest everything stays the same and you execute it. So keep in mind, so when you are running this strategy constructed for the underlying instrument, you may need to vary the parameters to make it work for the option and future instruments. So just like it executes just as we would have executed a strategy for the underlying instrument, you get your return profile, summary metrics, the trade distribution, and you can inspect each and every individual trade, its buy signal, its holding period, its sell signal, and the corresponding return. All right, so now quickly let's choose futures instrument. So Nifty has it preconceived, 5-1 has it preconceived for you so that you can choose, just like we chose at the money dynamic option last time, we can choose in this case the front month or the second month or the third month future for a particular security. So once the data loads, again, you have the option to change the time frequency. So for this case, let's make it an hour. Same, the code base stays the same. Now, since you have changed the time frequency, you may need to vary the time period and the deviation factor, and also the other entry and exit criteria. And in this case, let us, since this is a hour interval, let us add a risk control as well, so that there is no trades taken on Monday and Tuesday. So the strategy can learn the noise characteristic or the mean reversion characteristic from the first 2 days of the week. And then we run. So that's pretty much it. You can use your existing strategy, which you constructed for an underlying instrument, and select the corresponding option and futures instrument on which you think that strategy can work, or it can work with slight modifications. And it's very easy to select the futures and options. If you have a precise future and option with a strike price, you can select that. Else, you can use the 5-1 feature, which keeps track of what is the front month future or what is the at the money or OTM call or put at any given point in time. That's, if you have a particular strike, you can choose that strike as well. All right, that's pretty much it. Thank you.